Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. So today is almost 23 March and Sunday. Okay, so before starting the video, let's take a look on our weekly analysis. So as you can see, this is the chart. This is our official group Forex Planet. We have almost 700 plus subscribers here, and this is the signal that we shared on 21 March. This is the gold signal. We gave a buy call on 30:30, and this is the setup that we share in our group because there was a resistance and market was rejecting the resistance again and again. Okay, so as you can see, after just 1 or 2 hours the market hit our TP. As you can see, TP1 and TP2. By opening only 0.01 trade, we have earned almost $7.77, which means nearly close to 100 pips. Okay, so this is our official channel. You can join and you can explore our channel. Definitely you will love it. Okay, so this is the chart of gold. Let's take a look. First of all, let's take a look on the weekly candle. Let's see, is there anything so we can find out. Okay, so on weekly analysis, first of all, we will going to apply a Fibonacci retracement tool so we can analyze what is the next movement of gold. Okay, according to the Fibonacci retracement, the next upper target of the gold is almost 2062, and the lower target is almost 3019, and next target is 2975 in the lower side direction, and the upper direction is 3124. So now I am going to remove the Fibonacci retracement tool, and now let's go to smaller time period such as H4. So this is the H4 structure, and the structure is itself is saying that the gold is using this support right now. Okay, and then it will maybe move in this structure, then maybe it will. So basically Fibonacci retracement tool tells us the next movement of the market. So here we have two zone. According to this tool, the next target of the gold will be 3065. Okay, and the low target is almost 3017. The market already tested on Friday, and the very next target is low target is 2979. Okay, so let's remove this and come to daily chart. Daily chart is very interesting, and you will find very authentic and informational base analysis here. Okay, so according to H1 day one chart, here is a structure that I am going to share with you. Let's extend the trend line. Okay, so this is the trend line that we have in the daily structure, and according to this trend line, the gold followed this movement on the Friday. Okay, simple, straight, and too simple. The market is rejecting this trend line from a long time. Once it breaks this, then it is going to retest this. What is this? This is the pure fundamental movement analysis. So now the gold will reject this like that, and if it is going to reject this, then definitely it will go up. And if somehow unfortunately it break this, then we will have a next target till this first resistance zone, and that will be 2959. Okay, so this is according to day one. Let's take a look on H4. So on H4 we have two trend lines here. The first trend line is upper trend line, the next trend line is the low trend line. Okay, so this is the perfect movement of the gold. As you can see, the upper and the low trend line. So here we have a zone, so we can identify our zone by applying red zone. Okay, so this is the perfect, and this is one more zone that we have nearly very related to this zone. Okay, so let's talk about this one. On Friday, mostly on Friday, the gold usually gives the fake breakouts on Friday. Now everyone is think that, let's suppose we have a support here, the market successfully broken down the support. Now it will retest this, then it will come back to reject and test this trend line. Okay, so this is very hard. Okay, why? Because this is a fake breakout and the market will go up in that direction like that. This is scenario number one. Why? Because the market already respected the resistance zone. Here it was a resistance zone, okay, but here it is acting as a support level. Why? Because the market broke out this resistance and now it will hold here. Okay, so simply we have zone number one, this zone. If market somehow break this zone and gave a closing below the zone like that, then we are definitely going to sell the market, sell the prices till this level. The selling is short term and temporary, but the buying is long term and permanent. Okay, so if we apply a trend line from upper zone to upper zone, then again the zone that we just draw right now, and then you will find many opportunities in the selling as well as in the buying. But remember, always the selling is short term. Okay, so now the basically if a trader will see the structure, it will definitely tell that this structure is broken down by the market here by a big bearish candle, and then it will reject the trend line and then it will retest its first resistance level. Similarly, the market may do this, but what you have to do, just you have to set the buying limit. You can set your buy limit first off here, and the perfect and the biggest zone for buying, the 100% authentic zone, is this zone 2967. So if somehow market according to the structure make a double bottom here, then we are going to buy it by setting your stop loss just below the trend line, this zone. First buy. Okay, the second buy will be if market break the structure and will hold here like that, the 10 to 15 candle hold here like that, then we are going to buy it once we have a strong bullish engulfing pattern. So as you can see, the market make a structure here, complete 9 to 10 12 candles make a zone here. So again there is a big zone by the market. Similarly, I am saying once market break on this structure or maybe on this structure, and then it will make a zone like that, then it had formed already here, then we will going to buy it from this level or maybe this level. When we have this structure, almost 10 plus candles will reject here, then we are going to buy the gold for long time. Okay, this was according to H4, and let's take a look on H1 candle. So this is H1 candle, and as you can see exactly the market used its resistance level. For example, this was a resistance level and market perfectly used this resistance level, and then it is going up. If you draw a trend line here, as I can see here like that, then the market may retest. This is the X pattern. The market may retest this, may fall on this zone to form a double bottom pattern, as I already told you in the H4 time frame. Then we are going to buy if market is going to make a channel of almost 8 to 10 plus candles like that. If market fall here and make a channel, then we are going to buy it. If somehow market break this zone, then the next target we have is this zone. Then market will fall on this zone, and then we are going to buy the zone permanently. Okay, so this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram as well as our WhatsApp channel. Thank you very much for your support and love.
Forex Planet.